Do you remember the very first time you made money outside of your 9 to 5 job? Maybe you sold an old camera on eBay. Maybe you designed a logo for a local business. Maybe you got your first client for your freelance side hustle. It was only $100, but I guarantee you that $100 felt fundamentally different than the $3,000 you get from your salary. Why? Because your salary is a rental agreement. Your boss is renting your time. But that $100, you created that from thin air. You found a problem, you offered a solution, and a stranger voluntarily swiped their credit card because of you. Making your first $100 on the internet breaks the simulation. It proves that the system works. But here is the brutal reality where 95% of people fail. Making $100 requires hustle. Making $100,000 requires architecture. If you try to scale your side hustle using the exact same strategy you used to get your first $100, you will burn out, crash, and go crawling back to your boss begging for overtime. My name is Zishan, and welcome back to the Wealth Operating System. Today, we are taking your side hustle and turning it into a full-time machine. I'm going to show you the exact 3-lever scaling code that takes a fragile $100 gig and transforms it into a 6-figure business. And finally, I'll give you the exact mathematical formula to know when it is safe to quit your job. Let's build a system. When you make your first $100, $500, or even $1,000 a month on the side, you have achieved what we call proof of concept. You have verified that people actually want what you are selling. But immediately, you are going to hit a brick wall. This is called the capacity bottleneck. Let's look at the math. Let's say you are a freelance video editor, a copywriter, or a consultant. You are charging $50 an hour. To replace a $6,000 a month salary, you need to work 120 hours a month on your side hustle, but you already work 160 hours a month at your day job. Add in sleeping, eating, and commuting, and the math becomes physically impossible. You haven't built a business, you have just built a second, extremely stressful job. The fatal flaw here is that your income is still directly tied to your physical time. You are operating on a 1-to-1 ratio. If you want to turn this into a full-time empire, you have to decouple your time from your revenue. You have to stop acting like an employee of your side hustle and start acting like the CEO. To do that, we have to pull the 3 multiplier levers. The fastest way to scale a side hustle is not by working harder. It is by fixing your unit economics. Most side hustlers are terrified to raise their prices. They charge $100 for a service because they feel like an imposter. You must transition from charging for your time to charging for the result. If you build a website for a local dentist and it takes you 10 hours, you might charge them $300. That's $30 an hour. But think about the math from the dentist's perspective. If that new website brings the dentist just 2 new patients a month, they are making $5,000 extra per month. That is $60,000 a year in new revenue. You just built a $60,000 machine and you sold it for $300. That is a glitch in your pricing code. You must repackage your offer. You are not selling website design. You are selling a patient acquisition system. And the price is no longer $300. The price is $3,000. It takes the exact same amount of time to build a $3,000 website as it does a $300 website. The only difference is the perceived value and the type of client you are targeting. If you want to hit $10,000 a month, you don't need 100 clients paying you $100. You need exactly 4 clients paying you $2,500. Fix your pricing. Pull the first lever. The second lever is your traffic engine. How did you get your first $100? Probably through a friend, a family member, or a random referral. Referrals are great, but they are completely unpredictable. You cannot quit your job based on hope. You cannot pay your mortgage with word of mouth. To build a full-time business, you need a predictable, automated machine that generates leads while you are sleeping. We call this controlled acquisition. If you put $1 into the machine or 1 hour of effort into the machine, you need to know exactly how much money will come out the other side. You need to establish one primary traffic source and master it. If you are in B2B, business to business, you build a cold email or LinkedIn outreach system. You send 100 targeted messages a day. If you are in B2C, business to consumer, you build a short-form content funnel. You post one high-value video a day that drives traffic to a landing page. You must know your numbers. If you send 500 emails, you get 10 replies. Out of 10 replies, you book 3 meetings. Out of 3 meetings, you close 1 client for $2,500. Now, your business is no longer a guessing game. It is a math equation. Want to make $5,000? Send 1,000 emails. When your lead generation is predictable, your income becomes predictable. You have high prices. You have a predictable flow of leads. Now you will hit the final bottleneck: fulfillment. You have too many clients and not enough time. This is where you pull the ultimate lever: leverage. Billionaire Naval Ravikant says there are 3 types of leverage: labor, capital, and code. Since you are bootstrapping this, we are going to use code and labor. First, automate everything that does not require human creativity. Use Zapier to automatically send invoices. Use AI to draft your emails, write your outlines, and summarize your meetings. If a software costs $30 a month but saves you 10 hours a month, buy it immediately. You're buying your time back for $3 an hour. Second, you must replace yourself using standard operating procedures, or SOPs. Record your screen while you do your most repetitive tasks. Maybe it's editing the raw footage, or researching leads, or doing data entry. Take that video, hand it to a virtual assistant overseas who you pay $5 to $10 an hour, and have them do the grunt work. You are no longer the chef in the kitchen chopping onions. You are the restaurant owner. You focus 100% of your energy on the 2 things that actually grow the business: strategy and sales. Let the system handle the rest. Now for the most important question. At what exact moment do you walk into your boss's office, hand in your resignation, and take the system full time? Do not quit your job just because you had one good month. One $5,000 month is a fluke. 6 $5,000 months is a system. Before you execute your exit strategy, you must meet the escape velocity protocol. You must check 2 specific boxes. Box number 1, the 6-month runway. You must have exactly 6 months of absolute basic living expenses sitting in a high-yield savings account, not invested in the stock market, sitting in cash. If your business produces $0 for half a year, you need to know you won't end up on the street. This eliminates desperation, and desperation is the enemy of good business decisions. Box number 2, the 1.5x rule. Your side hustle profit, not revenue, profit, must consistently equal 1.5 times your day job salary for at least 3 consecutive months. Why 1.5? Because when you quit your job, you lose your benefits, your health insurance, and you have to pay self-employment taxes. If you make $4,000 at your job, your business needs to be clearing $6,000 a month consistently before you pull the plug. Your day job is not your enemy. Your day job is the angel investor funding your empire. Use your salary to pay your rent, buy your software, and fund your side hustle until the side hustle is strong enough to carry you. Taking a project from $0 to $100 requires courage, but taking it from $100 to $1,000 requires cold, calculated, systematic logic. Stop treating your side hustle like a hobby. Treat it like a machine. Fix your unit economics, build a predictable traffic engine, and replace yourself with leverage. The system works, but you have to build the architecture. If this masterclass changed the way you look at your business, hit that subscribe button to permanently install the Wealth Operating System. Drop a comment below and tell me, what was the very first thing you ever sold to make your first $100 online? Stay focused, keep optimizing the system. I'll see you in the next update.